Most people are still doing things the slow way. That's why they're stuck. This AI tool replaces hours of work with minutes. Time is the real bottleneck online, not ideas, not motivation. This is Rhein.ai, an AI tool built to help you execute faster. You tell Rhein.ai what you want to create or automate, in simple language. No setup, no technical skills. The AI handles the work for you. Here's how people are actually making money with tools like ryne.ai. They deliver faster. They handle more clients. They scale their output without scaling effort. Content, automation, AI-powered services, this is where the money is. Speed is the advantage, and speed gets paid. If you want to test ryne.ai the smart way, check the link in the description below. I've added my exclusive discount coupon there, so you can start for less. Click the link, activate the coupon, and use AI to work faster and earn more.